Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all you cool cats and kittens tuned into the Cool Ideas channel. It's great to be here. I mean, seriously, I'm not sure if you've heard, but there's some wild stuff happening in the world, and today, we're diving into the world of automotive innovation. You know, the kind that makes you wonder, are we living in the future, or did someone just steal my childhood Lego collection? So, hold on to your bricks, folks, because we're talking about the Helixx Cargo, the electric van that's making us all feel like kids again. Designed to be as easy to put together as a Lego set, this little van is proof that sometimes simplicity is the mother of invention. And hey, it's recyclable too. I guess even electric vans are trying to save the planet while being cool. I mean, who needs steel when you can have a recyclable polymer body? It's like they're building the van with giant-sized Legos. And I have to say, if they could make an electric van that also turns into a robot, I'd be sold. Now, they say this van is for tightly packed cities and developing economies around the world. I get it, small and nimble for navigating those crowded streets. But what I want to know is, can it survive the chaos of a parent's garage with Legos strewn everywhere? Because if it can, it's a real game changer. And get this, it's not just easy to assemble, it's cheap too. Helixx promises to simplify manufacturing by up to 50%. That's right, folks. They're putting together a delivery van for the price of a fancy coffee. You know, the ones with those cute little designs on the phone. But here's the kicker. They're planning to offer these vans on a subscription basis. And it'll cost you just 25 cents per hour to operate. I mean, I spend more than that on snacks while watching Netflix. Maybe I should subscribe to a van instead and go on a snack run adventure. And let's not forget the batteries. They've got removable lithium iron phosphate batteries that give you 24 hours of uninterrupted usage. That's impressive. I can barely get my phone to last a day without needing a recharge. But in all seriousness, Helixx is onto something here. It's like they're taking the best parts of the toy world and merging them with practicality. And who doesn't love that? So, keep your eyes on the road, folks, because we might just be seeing these cute little vans zipping around our streets sooner than we think. And before I go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the coolest ideas right here on the Cool Ideas channel, because who knows what crazy, innovative, and entertaining stories are coming your way next. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, keep building your dreams, one Lego brick at a time.